you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, follow us on social media. It'll be the fastest way to get updated on all our incoming inventory. Right now you're looking at a Range Rover Autobiography Supercharged. We bought it as a whole truck with some minor hail damage. It's being sold with a salvage title. Has some dents on the hood here, as you can see. You can repair this vehicle with a PDR kit. No frame damage, no undercarriage damage. It runs and drives. The glass is broken. A little bent here. Nice whole car. We're gonna actually complete the vehicle, run it through New York State salvage inspection. Needs a little paint work here. And we're gonna sell it with a rebuilt title. Take a look inside. The interior is spotless. No warning lights on. We ordered the molding for here. Look under the hood. When it's done, we're going to put it on the website. Pricing, miles, all the details. If there's any interest, give us a call. Thanks for watching.